boys and girls, it's Teacher Rachel from the Red Room. So today I was going to talk about a club activity I thought would be kind of fun. We've done things like this before, but it's something you can do at home. It's good math practice. I thought we'd work on patterns. Now I'm going to use Unifix cubes, but I don't know if you all have Unifix cubes at your house. There are other things you can use though at your house, like Lego or the bigger Lego that are like called Duplo, or any blocks that you have a lot of the same color. Or the other thing you could do is, did you get to see the video, or not the video, but the pictures that Wari's mom sent us from Colombia, because Wari's in Colombia right now. And remember how he wanted to play chess, but he didn't have a chess set? So he made it all out of construction paper. Well, you can make your pattern blocks out of construction paper too. You can see that I did this, and I have one more brown one to color in. I'll show you. I'll take the brown marker, and I just make kind of a square like this. This doesn't seem to be the same color brown. Let's see, it's not. Here's a brown marker. Make a square like this. And just color it in. And depending on who's in your club, I don't know if you have brothers and sisters or a nanny or your parents, but it would be probably helpful for them to help you cut them out because it would take a long time to cut out all your blocks. You can make as many as you want. So I'm going to start with a pattern using black, light blue, red, yellow, and white. I thought I would start with 5 colors because that's kind of easy. You can do as many colors as you have and you want, but I'm going to do that. So my first pattern is going to be black, light blue, red, yellow, white. So what do I need to add next? Yep. That's right, black, then what? Light blue, then comes, wait, what? What's this missing top to the egg from our refrigerator doing in our Unifix blocks? Oh my goodness, I'll put that in the refrigerator. Gotta go back, let me see, black, blue, red, black, blue. Okay, I need red. Red, black, blue, red, yellow. And what's the top one, everybody? Black, blue, red, yellow. Right, white. So now I've made the pattern twice. If I did it one more time, I'll do it really quickly. Look how tall it is now. I did it one more time. Let's see if I can do it really quickly. Black, blue, red, yellow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yellow, white. Now it's really tall. Then one thing you can do when you make your pattern is you can take it and you can measure it against things in your house. Like, let's see, is it taller than this paper? How many more cubes do you think it will take? Is anybody guessing 2? Let's put 2 on there. What came after the white? Black and blue. Let's try that. Let's put 2 and see if that was right. 2? Does that make it the same height? Oh, I think 2 was wrong. Let's see. What if we take 2 away? 1 away. And it's almost exactly the same height. Now the next thing I want you to do after you figure out your pattern that you want to do is I want you to change your pattern a little bit. Okay, so using the same colors, I'm going to take this top part off. So here's black, blue, red, yellow, white. Black, blue, red, yellow, white. I want you to change it a little bit. I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to put 2 blacks, 2 blues, 1 red, 1 yellow, 2 whites. That's going to be my new pattern. Now, in order to make it a pattern, I have to follow it again. So I'll have to make it one more time so I'm following a pattern. So 2 blacks, 2 blues, 1 red, 1 yellow, 2 whites. So how many blacks? That's right, 2 blacks. How many light blues? 2 light blues. We have 1 red and 1 yellow and 2 whites. So there's my new pattern using the same colors. Let's see if we put these next to each other, if we can see which one's taller. Winston's here today. I don't know if he's visiting in the video or not. Okay, let's put them next to each other. So this is 2 and this is 2. Whoa, the second one is much taller. So the next thing you can do with the person who's old enough to help you is find a ruler or a tape measure in your house and measure how long they are. Like I said, I'd like you to take them to things around your house. I'm going to take, let's see, who left their thermos bottle? I think we all can guess whose this probably is. It's got lots of dinosaurs on it. Maybe, but it doesn't have a T-Rex, so I was thinking maybe, who did you think? Yep, I thought maybe it was Ronan's, but look, this one matches exactly the same height. And if we measure it, we would know how tall it was. You could measure it to your head. You can measure them to all sorts of things. So these are great ways to learn about patterns and height or width. Is this as wide as this? Almost. How many do you think I need to remove? I agree. I think just 1. It's exactly as wide. We could measure and see what that is. Well, that's terrific. I want to remind you, if you don't have anything, make your own. It's really kind of fun. And they don't have to be squares. They could be rectangles. They could be circles. Think about other things you could make patterns with in your house. You could make patterns with shapes. You can make patterns with, trying to think, animals. If you have different animals that you like to play with, like small animals, all sorts of things. So have fun doing that. It's a great club activity. I love you, and I will see you guys soon. And remember, be kind, be caring, and be careful.